don't support that. In this pack, you will find 3 essential supplements. Number 1, Neutralite Double X. Number 2, Neutralite Concentrated Fruits and Vegetables. And number 3, Neutralite Ocean Essentials. Let me talk about a little bit Neutralite Double X. This one is Neutralite Double X. You can keep your medicine here, that keep it fresh. It's easy to open and see all the vitamin. You can smell the plant, vegetables and fruits. It smells fresh. And let me show the little bit of demo. These 2 glasses of water. I put it our Double X multivitamin and 1 X-Band multivitamin. Here we go. Let's see what happened after some time. You'll see our Double X-Band that is dissolved so fast, and you can smell the face plant smell. In the meantime, I will describe other things. In the Double X, there are 62 tablets each. Gold multivitamins, silver multiminerals, and bronze phytonutrient. And in this Double X, you can find 12 essentials vitamins, 10 essentials minerals, and 20 plant concentrated in a single serving. And this is the equivalent of 33 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1.5 chicken breast, 7.75 quarters of low-fat milk, 6 cups of baked bean, and 22 medium bananas, and etc. Can you believe that? Can you take every day that much of food? I'm sure you not. Then you should take Double X. You can find everything in here. And the number 2 is Neutralite Concentrated Fruits and Vegetables. This one. There are 60 tablets. And this offers 10 plus servings of phytonutrients from fruit, vegetables and plants in just 2 tablets. And it is equivalent of 1 medium tomato, 3 whole orange, 1 cup of spinach, 2 cups of green tea, 5 whole apples, and 1.5 cups of raspberries. It's amazing, no? And the number 3, Neutralite Ocean Essential. This one. Balanced Health Omega-3 Supplement, 90 soft gel. And this protect nerves, keep blood flowing and joint moving. And if you take 3 tablets daily throughout the week, you will find same amount of DHA and omega-3s as in 15.75 ounces of ocean fish. So all these fruits, vegetables and all these plant concentrate, all in combination, you can find this perfect pack. And all this help together to build a healthy, strong and energetic lifestyle. So amazing and excellent product. You can try it and let's see what's happened with our demo. No, it's dissolving. You can see after page meeting. You can smell that. This gold one. This is our Double X-Band. You can smell. Yeah, already you can smell it. Oh, after page meeting you can see that. Okay. Thank you, and let's welcome the Harini.
Thank you so much, Aditi, for wonderful introduction. And hi everybody, how are you all doing?
Awesome.
Wow, fantastic! Welcome to you all to this awesome face meeting. And we are Balaji and Honey proudly sponsored the business by Venkat and Sandeep from Phoenix, Arizona, and definitely certified Hagar by this year. And Eagle Chip KWC qualified is done. That's no questions at all. And today my topic is body series. Now we saw, health, one of the product in health, best of the best. So thanks, Aditi. And, now next comes the beauty. Now comes the, your personal hygiene. So, there are multiple products in, personal hygiene thing. Personal hygiene where comes, we mostly take care in the bathroom, right? So first let me start with a product called body wash. Okay, when you go to the immediately, like bathtub, you see this one body wash. All others body wash, it doesn't have a moisturizer. Basically, when you apply soap, what happens? It dries your skin. And this one, it moisturizes and it moisturizes your skin, like so that it basically give you a smoothness in your skin, and you don't feel like you are applying soap or anything chemical in, and it's very natural also. It has a ingredient in it called, I think it's Plantron. Yeah, Plantron. It is like a natural corn and coconut derivative basically. Back in India, like we used to apply whenever your skin is dry, people, your parents or anybody elders asked to apply, immediately. I had, for a matter of fact, like last week I had a very severe skin thing. What is skin problem? Rashes, and so it was my face and all was swollen, and they said, like you apply, like Avino's, it has oatmeal in it. So then I researched it. They said that, and I went Amway website and I saw what are the ingredients in it. I found out, like my mom said, like immediately, don't apply anything, just immediately apply coconut oil. It has coconut in it. So, like, so it's one of the best product we have it, like whatever you name it, like, it's there. And the next product comes, like, body wash is this, and the next one is, 4-in-1 antibacterial bar soap. It actually does what bar soap is, it's similar to the Dove, and it is actually a very specific thing. Regular soap, but the specific thing, one point I liked is, like it features a unique soap saver base, which is designed to stick the saliva, and whenever the soap is, over, what we do, it just goes away in the water, right? Even the tiny thing. What it has is, it has a saliva base which actually attached to the new one, so that, you can, it's kind of, using the, you're not wasting anything, to avoid the waste. So that is the one thing about this product. And the next one we have is, like soap complexion bar. This is my favorite. If you're from India, there is a soap called, 2 minutes, okay, Peers, like honey, it's similar to that, and very cost effective, not too expensive, like, and it has, like, it has a glycerin and honey in it, which gives a natural flavor, and that's my favorite. And next, after coming back, soap, I did it, and then, yeah, after coming out, like what you do immediately, like to freshen up your day, throughout your day. So use deodorant. Deodorants are, like these are roll-on, and like the stick is also there, and this roll-on specifically, like it usually outside thing, what it gives a stain on your clothes basically. This one is, it doesn't give any stain. And the next thing is, like after that, lotion. This body series, this hand and body lotion, it is one thing I have noticed about this product is it not only moisturizes, it generally all the moisturizing, whatever you are applying, it gives only to even Vaseline, petroleum jelly, it gives only till like 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Then after that again you feel your hand freeze, you feel like very dry, you have to apply some hand cream for your hand. So this one, really helps, if you apply it throughout your, even your skin, kids, safe for the kids also. And where is the other one? And thank you. And this one, like these things is one of my, another, and Balaji's best product, hand refill, hand soap refill. It is so concentrated, you take only very little, and it takes away whatever, flavor you eat food. When you wash with this, immediately, all the flavors are gone, and it keeps your hand soft and smooth, and, like with moisturizer. It has a special moisturizer in it too. And the last one, and this is called, like hand sanitizer and lotion. This is one of the bestest product. It's easy to carry. It comes as a little pouch. I think it's in my wallet. I mean in my purse. And it's very small and it kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. So no other product is, you know, like which kills so much thing, and it is like very safe for the kids. Basically, you know, whenever you go out, yes, you know, when you press it, you know, people ask what is this. It comes as a foam, and you know, it's fragrance free, and fragrance also is there, and it's an amazing product. You know, it's safe for the kids. You know, who is having kids, wonderful product. And with that, I'm done. And thanks for the opportunity. And you know, the next speaker is Hema, Bajin Hema, or you know, like a wonderful couple, and you know, committed core. You know, you can talk more and more about them, and you know, driving the miles, they are the best. You know, like they don't care about miles. You know, whether it's 60 miles or 90 miles or 400 miles, they drive. So best of the best couple, and with that, help me welcome Hema to the stage.